Oh, engineers, in this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to make a zine. So what I need you to do is get a copy of this printout, a blank sheet of paper, and what is a zine? A zine is basically a mini magazine. And once we make this one, I'll read out loud what it says here. But basically, it's a mini magazine, like you see here. And we're going to use these for a variety of reasons. So you need to know how to make one in order to be able to create on your zines. So set the blank paper aside, get your printout, and what you're going to do first is you're going to fold it in half, making sure the corners meet. Use your nail to get a nice crispy, sharp, crisp fold. Unfold it, fold it in half in this direction, make sure to line it up real neat. Fold it again, and then you're going to take the sides and fold them in so that the edge meets the middle fold. Fold. I'm going to spin mine around and repeat on the other side. And fold. And then fold it one more time like that, and you're going to have that crease right here. You're going to grab a pair of scissors, and you're just going to cut halfway up along that crease line. So just like so. You're not going to cut all the way through, you're just going to cut half. Okay, and you're going to, like this, you're going to unfold it, and you're going to have that slit in the middle there. You're going to then fold it like this, hold it like so, and these creases, you're going to have to crease them the opposite direction. That when you're holding them like this and you squeeze them towards the center, you'll see that you're starting to create the zine. Okay, so fold it so that you see the, hey, let's make a zine as the front cover. The back cover is distribute. So let's take a moment and look at this. So here we have a zine. It's a term coined from the 1940 science fiction fanzine by Ross Chauvenet. I don't know how to say that name. It's basically a self-published little book. So you have your front cover, page 1 and 2, page 3 and 4, 5 and 6. For this specific printout, page 6 has the instructions on how to make the zine if you ever need to refer back to that. And then a cute little graphic on the back. So we're going to be using this for a variety of reasons. Depending on what you're going to be doing, you'll get a specific set of instructions for each page. So now that you've made your first zine using this printout, you're going to keep this so that you have it to reference. So put this away in a safe space and get yourself a blank sheet of paper and repeat that process. So fold it in half. Fold it in this direction, this halfway, so people call that hot dog and hamburger. Fold the sides in towards that center fold. You have those folds. Fold the whole thing in half again. Grab your scissors. Cut to that halfway mark. Unfold. Fold. And then, since this one was a little bit different, you're going to fold that towards the center so that you have made your creases, and there's your zine, your blank zine. So you got your, again, front cover, page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You have 8 total pages, so the front cover, that's usually going to be, some kind of description, your name, a title of whatever it is, and then on the inside, it's like a little book. And here's one that's, this one's colored. So some of these you can actually find online and print them out and have cool little stories, little comic books, directions for a specific machine or tool or whatever. We'll be using zines in class, so make sure you know how to make a zine.